Walmart is transforming retail with a major expansion of its drone delivery service. According to Walmart's official announcement, over 100 stores in Atlanta, Charlotte, Houston, Orlando, and Tampa will launch drone delivery. Since introducing drone delivery in 2021, Walmart has completed over 150,000 deliveries. Partnering with Alphabet's Wing, it aims for 19-minute average deliveries within a 6-mile radius, carrying 2.4 to 10-pound orders. Fresh fruit, ice cream, and pet food are top items. Customers in Atlanta, Charlotte, Houston, Orlando, and Tampa can sign up for notifications on Wing's website. The service will also grow in Dallas, Texas, and Bentonville, Arkansas. Operating under FAA guidelines, it ensures safe, sustainable delivery. Walmart's drones enable 30-minute ultra-fast delivery. Alongside Express and InHome options, it's redefining retail convenience and leading with customer-focused innovation.